And I think this is also... Hey! This is day 6 of the Hacking Phase Build Small Hackathon, and this is Reachy Mini. We just got out Reachy Mini, and I will share a video later showing how we made it. But today we are not going to build something. I want to take a step back and show you what has been happening in the community, because honestly, this is so cool. So this is the main page of the hackathon. We have more than 2,000 followers and more than 1,800 members, and it is alive. Every minute, community members are making something, and just in a few days, there are already more than 400 spaces. It is insane, and every space is different, but very concrete and personal. And I think this is also the strength of this hackathon. It feels like going back before 2021, before the huge January models, when models were simple but more focused. And I think this is also reflected in the two tracks of this hackathon, Backyard AI and the 1,000 Token World. So today, I want to walk through a few spaces with you. Some of them are about code agents and coding tools. For example, this one is Octopus AI. The space visualizes how a code agent works. It looks like the agent has one big brain in the center, and different tools become arms. Each arm has a different role, like code generation, testing, code review, or CDCE. So when we input a code mission, the space creates a basic workflow for how a code agent could solve the task. It can also generate failure situation. With this space, we can actually see how a system decomposes a task and sends each part of the right arms. The other one is Tsundere Dev Ari. This is a coding assistant but with personality. Instead of being just a normal chatbot, Ari reacts with different emotions: embarrassed, sleepy, annoyed, confident. So the AI feels more like an expressive companion while helping with coding and debugging. And we also have CodeFlow. This one is about making code easier to understand. We could pass code here and click generator, and it explains the logical as a flowchart. This is a real nice example of using small and offline AI to make code easier and to read. And then we also have playful games like Run Reachy Mini Run. Reachy Mini becomes a pixel character in a runner game. You can even upload an image and generate your own character. And now I have my cat playing a runner game. It can runner, jump, and throw. It is very simple and cute and really fun to try. Then we have this one. It is a social dialogue game. Read the room. The concept is really interesting. Behind that, there is probably a text generation model, but instead of just generating normal conversation, it creates a situation, and you need to talk with the characters to reach out the goal of the game. It is more like using AI to create an interactive story and a social reasoning game. Of course, we also have space that solve real-life problems like family copilot. This space helps separate parents with shared custody planning. Parents can input all the activities, and the AI organizes everything into a visual weekly calendar. And parents can offer more support and presence to their kids with the help of the AI. From my personal experience, before this hackathon, I thought Hugging Face Space and Gradio were mostly placed to show machine learning future, like demos for researchers and machine learning engineers. But now I realize space can also be playful, creative, and very close to daily life. Another thing that really impressed me is the community discussion. There are YouTube live AMAs and community discussions where people can ask questions directly to organizers and sponsors, like which models should I use, can I use this resource, and how could I choose between different models. And the organizers sponsors and the community members actually answers, it feels less like a pure competitions, but more like a community building. Of course, everyone is here to building something and want to win something. But at the same time, people still answer each other's questions, support each other's space, and give feedback. This kind of the moment is very beautiful to see. Again, I think this is why we use AI. This is a powerful tool to help our daily life. Sometimes news about AI is scary because AI is an evolution we have never seen before. That's why it is important to let more people know how to use it correctly and keep it transparent. We do not always need a huge general models for a daily life. Instead, we can create a personal, lightweight, and focused models, and that is what I see in this hackathon. So if this video inspires you, please let me know in the comment and go to Hugging Face, go to space and create something for your daily life. It is more easier than before. Even you have not so many machine learning experience, it's very interesting. So this is today's video. See you next time.